me move this, cause this keep on freaking. This be What's up, y'all? It's Yaya, aka Nena, aka Yaelis, whatever y'all want to call me. But today I am back with another hair tutorial. Ooh, I'm with another hair tutorial. It's real cute, it's real simple. I'm gonna put the picture up here for y'all just so y'all can get a little glimpse into what we're doing. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright y'all, first step, just brush out your hair nice and smooth, and we're going to start with a middle part. Next we're going to take a section as far back as you want it and bring it all the way down to your ear. Once you've taken that section, just smooth it out and make sure you're separating it from the rest of your hair. You're not going to want to clip up all the back of your hair until we have both two sections in the front of the head. Just doing the same thing that I did on the opposite side of my head, we're going to take a section as far back as you want it, making sure it's even from the other half of your head, and bring it all the way down to your ear. Then just separate the whole back of your head and clip it up and out of the way. Once your hair is clipped up, get ready to braid. Alright guys, so as you can see, I braided the entire other half of my hair for y'all, just so you guys can see how you want it to come out. Taking whatever gel you use, I use the Eco Style gel. You're just going to want to put that on the entire half of your hair because it just makes it stay a little bit longer. Obviously I put water instead, just a substitute, because I did just wash my hair. My hair is freshly washed and I'm not trying to dirty it in any way, shape, or form. Now that entire back section of hair was just a little bit too much for the clip, so I had to add more just to make sure it's completely separated from the front of my hair so I don't take extra hairs when I'm braiding. When beginning your braid, just start with 3 strands. You're going to take the left under the middle, the right under the middle, add hair into one of those sections, then go under the middle, then add hair to the next section you're going to go under with, and then go under the middle. If this is not making any sense to you, I do have another video on how to on-scalp braid or Dutch braid or cornrow, however you guys call it, but I do have another whole video explaining and going into depth with how to Dutch braid, so go check that out. I will link the link in my description. To make it easier on you guys watching the video, I'm going to speed up this process for you guys. If you guys already haven't noticed, I am leaving my baby hairs out just so that I can do them later. Once you finish your braid, I usually go all the way down with it just to be safe, because you never know if it is going to reach all the way back to your ponytail. But once you've got your braid finished, just put it in a rubber band real quick and you're good to go for now. Alright guys, this is the part where I'm going to do my edges. This is going to take a while, so I'm just going to speed up this process as well for you guys. If you guys do want to see like a tutorial or anything on how I do my edges, I can definitely do one for y'all. Just let me know in the comments. But yeah. Alright y'all, we're back and I finally finished that part of the hairstyle. So now it's just getting that ponytail up, looking nice and smooth. You guys can put the ponytail pretty much wherever you feel like. I like to put it pretty much in the middle of the back of my head because I feel like it just makes the hairstyle come together pretty much. And plus my hair is pretty short, so I want my ponytail to look longer. Remember guys, don't forget about your braids. Before you hair tie your entire ponytail up, add your 2 braids to the back of it. It's just way easier than adding your braids after you have already put your ponytail up. Once you have your ponytail up nice and tight, you're gonna have the rest of the braids sticking out of it. So if you want to keep them in, you can keep them in, but I just prefer to take the rubber bands off of them and then unravel the braid, just to blend in your hair afterwards. But alright guys, that's pretty much the end of this hairstyle. I hope you guys like it because I know I do. And let me know what you thought about it in the comments. If you want to see any other hairstyles, let me know in the comments. Remember, subscribe, like this video for me. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.